Howdy everybody, Storm here. And I just wanted to do a quick introduction to I38 because I decided to enter the Builder Week for OpenAI. And Codex has really helped me a lot by reviewing code, making suggestions for cleaning up stuff, and in some cases actually writing code for like the i3 lock fork that I created to make it accessible. So when you first open I38, you would get a desktop, and that looks a bit like this.
I38 desktop frame, Steam, tree level 1.
It's just a list of things that you can launch from your desktop in a typical full-featured desktop environment. So I38 is a full-featured desktop environment based on the i3 window manager. And what it does is it removes a lot of the cited stuff that people would just glance at and, they see what it is, like maybe the clock or weather information. We actually do have a panel mode. And one of the things in the panel mode, I guess I could do weather. So it's Control-Alt-Tab, and then you hit W.
I38 weather monitor frame, read only text.
And
weather for Millers Creek, North Carolina.
It brings up weather.
Last updated : just now.
For approximately your location.
Blank.
You can actually specify in one of the settings files if you want exact location, but I just let it kind of pick.
Current conditions. Temperature : 87 degrees F.
Okay, and then since I mentioned the I38 lock, and since I used it in a lot of the descriptions whenever signing up for this, I guess I should show it off. So it's in the panel as well, which is Control-Alt-Tab, and then Control-Alt-L to lock your screen. Let's see here. Well, it is. Oh, because I generated my configuration before that, so I got to do it with the run dialog. Sorry about that. So I'm going to hit Alt F2 for the run dialog.
Line command application or file : text type command application name or
and then I'm going to type I38
suggestions.
lock.
Screen lock. Enter password.
And now we're locked. It said locked and enter password, so I can just do that.
Star. Backspace blank.
And if I get it wrong, I can backspace, and everything is red.
Star.
And once I enter it, I just press enter. But actually, let me erase all this, and I'm just going to hit enter, like if I missed, or if I'm not sure where I'm at, and I just press enter, it'll say enter password again. So I'm going to do that now.
Backspace blank.
Type.
Star. Backspace blank. Star. Authenticated.
There we go. And that brings me back to the I38. It's unlocked. Previously, we were using a pin system, but I think this is much more secure. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of features that have been developed in this. This has been a project since, I guess, probably 2020. And it's pretty close to feature complete, I guess I would say. That could change drastically depending on developments or what I think of or people suggest. But yeah, I38. Oh, I guess I should show the built-in help. I didn't want to take the F1 key at the top level, so to get to help you would press your mod key. In my case it's Alt, but this is set during configuration. So I do Alt Shift F1, and it will open.
Workspace 1. Welcome to I38 page tab.
Since I already have a Brave session open, it will open Brave or open an existing session, and then you have.
Lock quote, no colon. This help guide has been tailored to your specific configuration. You've chosen Brave as your web browser, Alt as your mod key, and your screen reader. Setting is Tulu dot.
All the help is actually tailored to your settings. And there's a whole bunch of it here, and there's also
Workspace 8 screen.
There's also context-aware help. So if I go into a panel mode, like I was talking about with Control-Alt-Tab, and then I hit F1 because we don't have to worry about modifiers in modes.
Panel mode help frame. Red only text. Panel mode key bindings.
I get panel mode key bindings.
Blank. Press Control plus Alt plus Tab to enter panel mode. Then use blank. Number panel mode key bindings help down to F1. Key colon F1 and I38 help dash panel.
And it's Probably not the most elegant help system, but it definitely shows you the keys and tells you what they do.
Space. Number weather information bound to W. Key colon W exec letter.
Like weather information bound to W.
Number magic wormhole bound to shift plus W.
We have a magic wormhole GUI, so you can send files back and forth really easily, and it saves by default in your downloads folder. But I could talk about this thing all day because there's so much to it, and this video has to be short. I'm hoping I didn't go over the 3-minute limit already. But anyway, thanks for checking this out, and we'll see you next time.